Hey everybody, thanks for watching, tuning in, checking this video out. Hope your day's been great. If it hasn't, I hope it gets better from here. Make sure to keep those you care about close. Enjoy this content, please subscribe and ring the bell so you can get notifications. I won't be able to catch nor pass the daughter without all of you hitting the subscribe button. If you have any comments, suggestions, tips, or tricks, please feel free to leave those below. So I have a PS5 in the living room, and I was thinking I may want to play it, stream from it sometimes, so looked into it, and there is remote play availability with the PS5. So in this video, we're going to set that up and see how it works for us. Because I think it might be nice to be able to use a PS5 to stream, and I'm curious how well it would do without a capture card and whatnot. So we're going to check that out today and see how it goes. So I just went in a web page to remoteplay.dl.playstation.net, and it has instructions here to get that set up. The requirements: Windows 10, 11. We have 11, we're good there. 7th generation Intel Core processor. Okay, you can read them. Those are the requirements. We have all of those met, so we should be good. And also the PS5 and my computer are both hardwired to the network using an Ethernet cable, so that should help with any will help reduce the lag that there might be. So we're going to agree and click on the download here. And once it's downloaded, of course, we're going to run the installation file. Looks like just the basic click, 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 click. Maybe it decides that it actually wants to go. There we go. Okay, well, since it's there, we might as well go ahead and launch it. But before we do that, let's go see what else we need to do here. So set up your PS5 console. These steps have to be done on the PS5, which I've already done, but you go to Settings, System Remote Play, and make sure that's enabled. And so you can start remote play while the PS5 is in rest mode. You're going to go to System Settings, Power Saving, Features available in rest mode, and turn on Stay Connected to the Internet and enable turning on PS5 from the network. Okay, so we've already started remote play. Let's go here and we'll sign in to PSN. I'm just going to move this off the screen while I sign in here. I seem to always be unable to remember my password, so we'll see. Oh, two-step verification is on, so let me get the code from my app. It gives us an option to trust the browser, so I'm going to do that, and hopefully that will keep me from having to put it in every time I try to use it. So obviously, access your information from this mobile device to operate the app, blah, blah, blah. Confirm and continue. Want to connect to PS5. We already did that. That's just making sure, well, that's just letting us know that we need to have those settings changed that we talked about earlier. Enable remote play and whatnot. Okay, let's see if it finds it here. Looking. I actually think when I changed those settings, I left it on and just turned the TV off, so doesn't seem like it should take that long to find it, but can't really do much to other than wait. Please enter the login passcode for your PS5. Well, move this off to the side to put it on. Okay, it's not taking it. Maybe because I don't have a controller plugged in, so we're going to take our PS5 controller, plug it into the computer. Alright, I had to record part of this because when I plugged in my controller, it switched the microphone and speakers to the controller microphone and speakers. So that's something you might want to be aware of and make sure that after you plug your controller in, if it switches the speakers and microphone to your controller, that you switch it back to whatever headset you're going to be working. Not be working, be using. So, a video quality for remote play thing, which you can enable HDR, but I think the problem that I cannot enable HDR is because a monitor doesn't support it, since it's just one that I had already, nothing special. But you'd also have to have the HEVC video extension from Microsoft, which you can find in Microsoft Store if you want to use that. How this works in the app here. The PS. Okay. So one strange thing I just found out, it seems when you open the PS Remote Play app that Streamlabs does not pick up the audio from your microphone, which is quite strange and something I'm going to need to check out here. Did the sound work, or was it just the mic that wasn't working? Okay, so it looks like you get the sound from the PS5, but the mic doesn't go to Streamlabs. Okay, it has this. I'm going to try that and see if that'll get. Okay, I'm going to try that. I'm going to try. When we left off, we're having a problem. We opened the PS Remote app. We weren't getting audio from the mic into Streamlabs. So, show you what we did to fix. So what I did here is you go into the mixer options, and then for the mic auxiliary, I changed it from default to the one I'm using currently. The only bad thing is about that, if you switch mics like I do sometimes, you're gonna have to remember to switch it. But that's fine. Okay. So we'll go back to where we were. Let's go ahead and open the PS Remote app and see if we can get audio in the video and the game. Okay, so this is just, I was messing around trying to find the options, but you can see here, which you can use your mouse to do this, it shows your mic is muted. So if you're wanting to use your mic on your PlayStation, you're going to have to make sure to unmute that too. There, that shows unmuted. So we'll go ahead and play a little bit here to see if it's playable. Blast my ears out. Okay, there. I'm gonna play this in a minute. Just run into a quick match here. Maybe we can find some peoples to play with. There we go. I'm curious to see if there's a bunch of lag playing this way, but it's gonna be kind of hard to tell too because I haven't played in a while.
Domination.
Claiming objective. Stand by.
Securing Alpha. See.
Either it's because I haven't played forever, or there's quite a bit of lag. Might be part of both. I haven't used a PlayStation controller in forever either, so. Wow. I think there is some lag. Like I said, it's kind of hard to tell because I haven't played in forever.
Semtex going out.
I definitely think there's some lag. I mean, I'm bad usually, but this is pretty rough.
Securing Bravo. B secure.
You can definitely see the lag in there.
Losing Bravo.
I mean, it would be one way to do it without a capture card, but it seems pretty rough. What, like 1 kill? Like I said, I'm bad. Not usually this bad.
Semtex going out.
Securing C. Pulling ahead.
It might be okay for like maybe games where you don't need to be as quick.
Semtex going out.
Losing Bravo.
Or maybe just take a little bit to get used to as well. Okay, what I'm gonna try doing now is see if I can do it on the gaming if it picks it up. Okay, it looks like the gaming thing does not pick it up in Streamlabs, so.
Switching sides.
Change it to full screen here. There's definitely more lag doing it this way than playing straight from the PlayStation. That's for sure. It might be getting a little bit better, I don't know. Okay, another thing I noticed is that when you're playing from the PC and you go to like the screen that's searching for gaming, like this one, or if you're playing in windowed mode in Fortnite, for example, it'll automatically mute the desktop audio when you're not on it. And here it doesn't, so that's something to think about too. So if you're using the PS Remote app, you're going to have to go to Streamlabs and actually mute the audio. So, I mean, I think it could be used. It is a little slow. There does seem to be some lag. Part of it could be just getting used to it, but something to think about. It's an option. If you don't want have a capture card, you can try to use a PS Remote Play. It might be a little rough, but it's worth giving a try. When you're bad like me, it doesn't make much of a difference anyway, really. So there you go. We got PS Remote Play set up, and we're able to stream from it. Takes a little getting used to, which, I mean, that's part of it. The struggles of getting stuff set up right. So if you enjoy the content, subscribe, ring the bells, and get notifications. Can't catch nor pass the dollar without y'all hitting that subscribe button. And until the next one, thanks.